This exercise concerns the needs and the problems in the world that motivate you to work on your project, such as the needs you aim to satisfy with your project and the problems that you want to help solve. But it also focuses on the fact that in solving one problem or satisfying one need, you might unwittingly bring about new problems in the world. To start thinking about this, we make use of the UN Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs. In the first step of the exercise, we suggest you to approach the SDGs as issues in the world that we ought to take care of collectively. Therefore, we've translated some data related to the SDGs in this deck of care cards. Each care card thus displays a present issue that corresponds to a development goal. For instance, there are increasing emissions of CO2, and maybe your project contributes positively to this problem, or it accidentally causes more emissions. There are, of course, more issues than the ones that we could cover here. So if you think of anything else that your project might contribute to or harm, you can add it in the empty care cards below. So to start, it is best to read through this deck of care cards with your team and to select or make cards that apply to your project. While reading through, ask yourself the question, might my project positively contribute to this issue, or might my project accidentally harm this issue? Second, you position these care cards in the next frames. In case your project might contribute to taking care of the problem or need, you use the empty post-it notes over here to brainstorm and note down how you could optimize your positive impact. And if you might have a harmful effect on an issue in the world, you can brainstorm on how to mitigate or prevent your negative impact through the design of your project. And after this brainstorm, make sure to note your main insights in the middle of the circle as additions or changes to the design of your project.